So compare this audio to this audio, and that's exactly what I want to talk about in this video. Hey guys, it's Ray Alvarez from Shoot with Ray, and I am a creative portrait photographer and wedding photographer here in Florida. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't seen any of my videos yet, I highly suggest you subscribe to the channel right off the rip, so that way you can get to know me better and see what I'm about and what I talk about on this channel. But in today's video, I definitely want to talk about audio. Audio is one of the most important things you need to worry about when it comes to your content, especially here on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for about a year and a half now, and I have to say that this has been an extremely enjoyable journey. There's a lot of things that I've learned, and there's a lot of things that I've experienced. And one of the things that really stood out to me is audio and audience. And what I mean by that is your audience is not going to be there if your audio sucks. Let's be honest. In the beginning of a lot of my videos, my audio did suck, and I have to admit that. If we don't admit these mistakes, we never learn, right? So my good friend and videographer partner recommended Rode mics. It's what he uses for his clients, and it's what we began using together for our clients. And I've been using the Rode Wireless Go, both Generation 1 and Generation 2. And I'll tell you a little bit about Generation 3 on another video. But in today's video, I'm actually using the VideoMic GO Generation 2 by Rode. And I just quickly wanted to showcase what the difference in quality of audio is using that microphone compared to no microphone at all and just using a microphone from the camera. So this is using the microphone from the camera, and this is what it sounds like in my room where I'm currently recording this. Luckily, I don't have too much audio in the background or noise in the background right now, but regardless, this microphone doesn't sound the best. And sometimes if we do have a lot of background noise, it becomes really tough to remove this in post or editing. So this is where we have to rely on microphones. Now my camera is about 1 to 2 feet away from me, and this is why it's okay and it sounds all right. But personally, I like good audio. So this is why I rely heavily on microphones whenever I'm creating video or content for my clients. And now I've plugged in the VideoMic GO Generation 2. And can you agree with me? It sounds way better. It sounds much more clear, and it's more high definition. Drop in the comments below if you agree or disagree with me in terms of the quality of the audio with the mic and without the mic. This isn't going to be a long video about technicality and what's better, what's not better. I'm just giving you a general idea as to how I feel about using this mic and the other mics that I've used. And quite honestly, this is just a shameless plug. It's just basically showcasing the audio quality that Rode provides in terms of microphones. There's a whole bunch of brands out there, some good, some bad, but I like to use Rode. And if you've been following my journey here on YouTube, you know for a fact that I like to promote brands that work for me. Now, if you haven't been to my channel, if you haven't watched my videos, you'll quickly learn and realize that I'm very authentic and I love to talk the truth about different brands in this industry. Rode is one of them. I really like using their mics. This is not me trying to sell you on Rode at all, but I have to say I do enjoy using their microphones. So this microphone, the VideoMic GO Generation 2 by Rode, is an on-camera shotgun mic. A shotgun mic is a highly directional microphone designed to capture sound from a specific area in front of it, while rejecting sounds from the sides and the rear. It uses an interference tube to focus on distant audio sources, making it ideal for film, video, and outdoor use. And it's currently attached to my camera via the cold shoe mount using the Helix ISO mount. The Helix ISO mount is a suspension mount that isolates shotgun mics just like this one from handling noise and vibrations. Technology is changing, and right now this specific microphone does have a USB output, and it's also compatible with iPhone and Android devices. It's a great microphone for content creators or people who just need a general microphone whenever they're creating video content on their phone or on their professional cameras. But anyways, I don't want to get super technical with you guys. You know very well I like to keep it simple on this channel. So using this microphone on this specific video, I just want to make sure that you guys can hear the audio crystal clear and you gather your own thoughts and opinions on how you like this specific microphone. I have to admit, I enjoy using it and I highly recommend it. So how can you get this microphone? Easy. There's many places you can go online to find this microphone and buy yourself one. But I would highly appreciate if you can use the specific link that I set down in the description for you guys to access and purchase this microphone. Not only does it support Rode directly, but it also supports this channel in a way. I get a small kickback from Rode for using my link without any additional cost to you. But at the end of the day, you're supporting my channel by using this specific link. So I have a few questions for you, and drop your answers down in the comments below. What microphone are you using for your videos or your content? Do you like the audio quality from this specific microphone? Or if you have any specific questions about this mic or any of the other mics from Rode, and I'll be happy to answer them in the comments. So I'm here to remind you one more time that if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and tap that button below. And of course, tap the notification bell so that way every single time I drop a new video, you get notified. And lastly, I know you hear this all the time, but go ahead and like and comment this video so that way other photographers and creatives just like you who are out there searching on YouTube can find this channel much more easier, because your like and your comment will help place me in the algorithm. I always appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.